In a world where numbers are everywhere, how do we make sure data truly benefits humanity? That's where human-centered data comes in. This approach focuses on the beauty of human context, dignity, and overall well-being throughout the data journey. Human-centered data highlights three main points. First up is human context. Remember, data isn't just figures. It reflects real human actions and experiences. If we don't understand how, when, why, and from whom data is collected, we lose the true meaning behind it. Then we have human dignity. This idea sees people as individuals, not just data points. It champions informed consent, protects privacy, and values accuracy. Everyone should have the right to view and amend their own data. Lastly, we come to human well-being. This aspect looks at how data affects our welfare. It considers the direct effects on people, the consequences of decisions made from data, and the wider societal impacts of data practices. So what isn't human-centered data? It doesn't oppose quantitative methods, it simply adds meaningful context. It's not against efficiency, it upholds ethical values. It isn't anti-technology, it calls for human oversight. And it's not just a theory, it's something we can put into practice. To implement human-centered data, organizations can take a few steps. First, record the data context along with the data itself. Next, evaluate possible impacts before utilizing any data systems. Involve the people affected in decisions around their data. Always rely on human judgment when making data-driven choices. Lastly, keep an eye on outcomes and adjust as needed. By putting these practices into action, we center humanity in data-based solutions. For more tips on how to build ethical data systems, check out www.humanitycentereddata.com. Let's change how we perceive and use data by prioritizing people above all else.